Get the most out of your TDS TV remote control. Let's start with the basics. First, to turn on your TV and TDS TV set-top box, press the Watch TV button. You can also program your TDS TV remote to operate other devices. To use your TDS TV controller as a universal remote, you'll need to link your devices. Step-by-step instructions are in the TDS TV user guide that was part of your installation packet. You can also find the user guide on our website. Next up is the main menu, which you can always reach by pressing the menu button or left arrow on your remote. Using the up and down arrow keys, you can choose Search, Browse Live TV, Recorded TV, On Demand, TDS Apps, and Settings. Now that you know where the main menu is, let's take a look at the channel guide. To access it, simply press the Guide button on your remote. When you're in the channel guide, you can use the arrow keys to browse shows by channel and time. Once you find a show to watch, highlight it and select the OK button. Even after you've started to watch a show, you can still see what's on other channels. To access the Browse panel, press the up and down arrows on your remote. In the Browse panel, you can also see what's scheduled on channels later in the day by using the right arrow key. To find out more about a show you're interested in watching, select the Info button. You'll bring up a brief synopsis, release date, and info on the cast and crew. When you're ready to exit the info screen, programming guide, or browse panel, press the Live TV, Exit, or Back buttons to go back to watching TV. You can also look for programming using our search feature. Bring up the main menu by using the menu button or left arrow key. Select Search, the first option in the main menu, and you'll bring up the search bar. You can search for content two ways. If you prefer the on-screen keyboard, use the arrow keys on your remote and select OK when you come across the letter you want. You can also use the numbers on your remote control. Similar to your cell phone, the numbers on your remote control correspond with several letters of the alphabet. Your search is universal. Using the Fox search as an example, you'll find any show or network with the word Fox in its title. Now that you know how to find shows, let's explore the different ways to record them. When you're watching something you want to record, simply press the Record button. A recording banner will appear across the top of the screen, indicating you are saving your show. The red Record light on your DVR will also light up. You can also record shows from the Browse panel. Press the up or down arrow to begin browsing. Navigate to the show you want to record, and then press the Record button. You've set up your recording successfully when a red dot appears next to the show you selected. If it's already in progress, the recording will start immediately. You can also use your channel guide to schedule recordings. Press the Guide button and scroll until you find what you want to record. Again, press the Record button and your show will be saved. You'll know you've set your recording when you see the Recording Scheduled banner flash on top of the screen. A red dot will also appear by your show. Now that you have the basics down, let's look at the DVR's more advanced options. To record an entire series, find an episode of that show and press the Record button twice. 3 dots will appear next to your selection, indicating you're recording not just one show, but an entire series. Now, to cancel the recording of a single show, highlight the show and press the Record button twice. To cancel the recording of a series, highlight the show and press the Record button once. All right, those are the important points regarding recording. Let's go back to Live TV using the Exit button. Next, bring up the menu by pressing the Menu button or left arrow. One of the most useful TDS TV features is the ability to create up to 5 separate favorites lists. To set up a list, first use your remote to navigate down to Settings in the main menu and press OK. Once you're in Settings, use the arrow keys to select Television. Next, scroll down and select Set Up Favorites and click OK. Again, using the arrow keys, select Setup and press OK. Next, you'll see a list of all the channels in your TDS TV package. To add a channel to your favorites list, check the box next to the channel using the OK button. Once you've made your selections, press the Enter button on your remote. Give your favorites list a name or keep the default My Favorites label. Be sure to press Save on the left side of the screen. So let's use your favorites list. First, go back to Live TV using the Live TV button. Press the Enter button on your remote to bring up the Viewing Options panel. When the Options panel appears, navigate to and select Favorites List. Next, choose the favorites list you created and press OK on the remote. Now, when you change channels, you'll only see those that are in your favorites list. To exit your favorites list and return to seeing all channels, press the Enter button again. The Viewing Options panel will appear. Select Favorites Lists and then choose the All Channels option. Another great way to filter your channel guide is by categories. This often makes it easier to find shows when you're in the mood for something specific. Return to the main menu using the Menu button or left arrow and select Browse Live TV. Using the down arrow on your remote, select Categories and press OK. You'll see 2 main categories, HD programming and SD programming. Within these options are specific genres such as entertainment, kids, family and education, and local channels. Select the category of your choice using the arrow keys on your remote. A new program guide showing only the channels from your selected category will appear. Now you're ready to get the most out of your remote and your TDS TV service. For more information, visit us online at tdstv.com.